Amarjeet is also there. Wonderful. Nice. Hi, Amarjeet.
Ashish is
Good
there.
evening to all the children who are present. I know you are all on mute, maybe, but good evening to all of you all. Thanks for joining. Before the official program starts, this is one thing which I would like to communicate before we start off is you all have joined the best program, and it's the program for the youth, because without which we would be doing so many other things, but this will give you direction and focus. I was an interactor myself, a rotractor after that in college, and then a Rotarian. So that's why I speak, whatever I speak, it comes from the heart. And not only did I become, I made my children also join. They didn't have the advantage of an interact because Don Bosco High School by that time had stopped, since we didn't have a teacher in charge to take over, and the principal didn't want to go. Kalaji, कितने बजे शुरू करें?
Yeah,
We'll start now.
Okay.
One second. Good evening and a warm welcome to one and all. Before we begin, I would like to give you a few instructions. Please keep the microphones on mute in order to avoid any kind of disturbance. Kindly keep your videos on. In case of connectivity issues, you may switch it off. Thank you. Without a further ado, I would call about the master of our evening, Kanishk Israni. Over to you, Kanishk.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, respected supervisors, teachers, our chief guest, and my fellow Rotarians. I invite our outgoing president, Ms. Madhulika Singh, to call the meeting to order.
I now call the meeting to order.
Thank you, Madhulika. As you all know, our school's tradition of starting every event with a prayer. Hence, I now request Raj Nandini Jain to please enlighten us with her prayer song. Over to you, Raj Nandini.
Thank you. हमको मन की शक्ति देना, मन विजय करे, दूसरों की जय से पहले खुद को जय करे। हमको मन की शक्ति देना, भेदभाव अपने दिल से साफ कर सके, दोस्तों से भूल हूँ तो माफ कर सके, खुद पे हौसला रहे, बदी से ना डरे, दूसरों की जय से पहले खुद को जय करे। हमको मन की शक्ति देना, मन विजय करे, दूसरों की जय से पहले खुद को जय करे। हमको मन की शक्ति देना। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Raj Nandini. Today, our principal ma'am will not be able to attend. Hence, I request Mrs. Sati Setu Madhavan, our secondary supervisor, to grace the occasion on behalf of her. Sati ma'am, if you would like to say a few words.
Good evening all. On behalf of our management, I extend a very warm welcome to Ms. Kala Sridhar, the President of Rotary Club, Juhu, and our chief guest, Dr. Arun Garg, who practices dentistry and has been the President of the Rotary Club of Mumbai, Uptown in the past. I also welcome all the Rotarians present here, my supervisors, teachers, parents, and dear Cooperites. We are delighted to have you all with us for the Interact installation ceremony. In spite of your busy schedules, you all have graciously agreed to spend your valuable time amidst us. I'm sure your kind presence will encourage and motivate our dynamic Cooperites. I would like to take this opportunity to express our sincere thanks to Rotary Club for felicitating our 5 toppers who made us proud by securing 99.6, 98.6, and 98.4%. I would like to state here that Viha has stood first in Mumbai at the ICSE examination March 2020. Congratulations to all our newly elected interactors. My dear children, a meaningful life is not being rich, being popular, being highly educated, or being perfect. It is about being real, humble, being strong, and able to share ourselves and touch the life of others. There was an old man who was admitted in a hospital. A young man would visit him every day and sit with him for more than an hour. He would help him with his food and take his shower. He would take him walking in the garden of the hospital. After that, he would bring him back to his room and help him to lie down. He would go away after reassuring himself that the old man is doing well. One day, a nurse entered his room to give him medicine and inspect his condition and said to him, "May the Lord be always gracious to your kind and caring son. Every day he visits you and shows great care." The old man looked at her and closed his eyes and said to her, "I wish he was one of my children. He is an orphan from the neighborhood where I live. I met him one day in the past, crying at the street after his father died. I comforted him and brought him some candy to put a smile on his face. I neither saw him nor talked to him after that for a very long time. When he would visit us every day, when he grew up, he came to discover where my wife and I were living. He would visit us every day to inspect our conditions. When I later fell sick, he took my wife to his home. He now comes to the hospital to seek my treatment every day. One day I asked him, "My son, why do you have to deal with us and take care about us so much?" He simply smiled and said, "The taste of the candy is still in my mouth." Therefore, children, never lose hope in being a good person and doing good deeds for others. I would like to thank my supervisors, Sati Sethumadhavan, Pooja Salian, and Poonam Chaudhary for their tremendous support. Teachers in charge, Mrs. Nimisha Chaturvedi and Mrs. Vrishali Palshetkar for their hard work and dedication, and my dear students for making this program possible. I hope you all will enjoy the rest of the program, and thank you for sharing your valuable time with us on this special occasion. I would like to end with a small advice to my interactors. Work for cause, not for applause. Live for life, not to impress. Don't strive to make your presence noticed. Just make your absence felt. Thank you and stay blessed. Students, this is the message from our dear principal, Mrs. Jessica Daruwala. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, in continuation of the event, I request Madhulika Singh, the outgoing president, to please say a few words. Over to you, Madhulika.
Thank you, Kanishk. Good evening, respected Rotarians, our honored chief guest, supervisors, teachers, and fellow interactors. I, Madhulika Singh, the outgoing president of the Interact Club of Manikji Cooper Education Trust School, Juhu, Mumbai, would like to share my experience with you all as a president. It was indeed a wonderful experience and an honor to serve the people around us and to part of such a magnanimous club. This indeed is a matter of great pride to all of us. This club has truly taught me that service to mankind is service to God. I want to thank all the Rotarians present here, as Rotary has helped us groom our personality and taught us to share and care for our fellow brethren. The year 2019 to 2020 was a very special year for me, and I will cherish the memories attached to it of being the president of one of the most prestigious clubs in the world and representing my school. I would also like to thank our ex-principal, Mrs. Gandevia, our previous teacher moderators, Mrs. Salma Naqvi and Mrs. Namisha Chaturvedi, and fellow interactors. I have thoroughly enjoyed my moment of tenure as the president and hope that my humble contribution will be appreciated. I'm confident that the incoming president, Nicora D'Souza, will give her best. You will always have my support, Nicora. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Madhulika. I would now request our outgoing secretary, Veer Pratap Singh, to please give out the report of his year's experience. Over to you, Veer.
Good evening, respected Rotarians, our honored chief guest, supervisors, teachers, and fellow interactors. I, Veer Pratap Singh, the outgoing secretary of this esteemed club, would like to thank you all for giving me the chance to broaden my perspective in life. We received an opportunity to move out of our protected environment and see another side of life, especially of the less fortunate. We enthusiastically contributed to the NAB and the Red Cross collection drive, as well as took part in various competitions held in different schools. We also visited an old age home and an orphanage where we, Cooperites, showed our love and concern by giving generous donations in the form of clothes, food, toys, and accessories to the senior citizens and the underprivileged. We spent some quality time there by listening to their stories and playing some indoor games with them. This helped in teaching young minds the importance of being humble while giving to the needy. We, as a team, won the second prize in an inter-school dance competition of the cultural event Udaan. And our fellow Cooperite, Nandini Makhija, won the Young Achievers Award for her dedicated spirit and dedication. I'm sure the new committee will better these achievements and continue to hold the club's name high. With this, I take your leave. Thank you.
Thank you, Veer. I now request the outgoing president to please induct the collar change and charter handover to our incoming president, Ms. Nicora D'Souza.
I now hand over my responsibilities to our incoming president, Nicora D'Souza, for the year 2020 to 2021.
Thank you, Madhulika.
I now request the incoming president to please say a few words.
Thank you, Kanishk. Good evening, respected Rotarians, our honored chief guest, respected Madam Mrs. Daruwala, supervisors, teachers, and fellow interactors. I, Ms. Nicora D'Souza, feel extremely honored to be here today, ascending to the post of the president of the Interact Club of Manik Ji Cooper Education Trust School. I am grateful to Principal Madam, our teacher moderators, Mrs. Nimisha Chaturvedi and Mrs. Vrishali Palshetkar, for giving me this marvelous opportunity. I also want to thank all the Rotarians present here today. I endeavor to work towards the upliftment of the poor and helping the needy. Like previous years, this year as well, I plan to lead the Interact Club of Manik Ji Cooper Education Trust School to further glory, following the footsteps of our outgoing president and with the valuable guidance of our teacher moderators. The entire team strives to work towards excellence and success. I would now like to take this moment to introduce to you our new core team for the year 2020 to 2021. Our Vice President, Master Arnav Kapoor.
I think he got disconnected. Nikora, you may please continue.
Okay.
You join us again.
Our Secretary, Master Misam Panjwani. Our Joint Secretary, Ms. Radhika Waje.
Good evening, everyone.
And our Treasurer, Master Rudraksh Yadav.
Good evening, everyone.
I would now like to call upon our newly elected directors, Ms. Priyanshi Randeria,
Good evening, everyone.
Ms. Anushka Vyas,
Good evening, everyone.
Master Johan Vadia,
Good evening, everyone.
Master Shubhan Chaturvedi,
Good evening, everyone.
Master Miles Dias,
Good evening, everyone.
Master Ayush Churi,
Good evening, everyone.
Ms. Darshini Iyer,
Good evening, everyone.
Ms. Durva Desai,
Good evening, everyone.
Ms. Shania Gonsalves,
Good evening, everyone.
and Master Arjun Srivastava.
Good evening, everyone.
I wish you all the best and thank you and have a pleasant day.
Thank you, Nikora. Now, I request our incoming president, Ms. Nikora D'Souza, to give out the formal oath on behalf of the Interact Club of Manik Ji Cooper Education Trust School.
We do solemnly promise that we will faithfully execute the office of the Executive Board of the Interact Club of Manik Ji Cooper Education Trust School. We will work to the best of our ability, serve as a living example, and will uphold and enforce the philosophy of this organization at all times. We pledge our solidarity to this Interact movement, to our club, our school, and to the Rotary world at large. So, help us God.
I now request the Joint Secretary, Ms. Radhika Waje, to please introduce the Interact Club of Manik Ji Cooper School.
Thank you, Kanishk. Good evening, everyone. The Interact Club of Manik Ji Cooper Education Trust School, Juhu, Mumbai, was set up under the able guidance of Mrs. Gul Ghadiali on the 23rd of July 2004, with assistance of our teacher moderators, Mrs. Jessica Daruwala, Mrs. Pooja Salian, and Mrs. Penny Miranda. This spirit was instilled in us by our teacher moderators, Mrs. Gitika Wadhwa and Mrs. Sabia Ahmad. Later, under the able guidance of our teacher moderators, we were fortunate to have our esteemed club rise to the heights as reached today. In the year 2009 to 10, under Mrs. Shivani Srivastav and Mrs. Dilshad Randeria. In the year 2010 to 11, Mrs. Indu Agarwal and Mrs. Sybil Nazareth. In 2011 to 12, Ms. Sybil Nazareth and Mrs. Hina Jotwani. In 2012 to 13, Mrs. Hina Jotwani and Mrs. Lorraine Peswani. In 2013 to 14, Mrs. Lorraine Peswani and Mrs. Persis Wadia. In 2014 to 15, Mrs. Persis Wadia and Mrs. Kushnur Sheikh. In 2015 to 16, Mrs. Kushnur Sheikh and Mrs. Manisha Kumar. In 2016 to 17, Mrs. Manisha Kumar and Mrs. Sonal Thakkar. In 2017 to 18, Mrs. Sonal Thakkar and Mrs. Shima Das. In 2018 to 19, Mrs. Shima Das and Mrs. Salma Naqvi. In 2019 to 20, Mrs. Salma Naqvi and Mrs. Nimisha Chaturvedi. This year as well, our teacher moderators, Mrs. Nimisha Chaturvedi and Mrs. Rishali Palshetkar, will continue to hold the torch for us and guide us on the path of selflessness and generosity towards further success and triumph. Thank you.
Thank you, Radhika. Now, I would like our new Vice President, Master Arnav Kapoor, to introduce the President of the Rotary Club Juhu Mumbai, Kala Sridhar. Has Arnav come back?
Is Arnav back, Ganesh?
He's not there in the meeting.
Nimisha, miss? Nimisha, miss?
Yes, miss. I think Arnav is not able.
Arnav is not there. You please read out.
Yeah. I take this opportunity to welcome the President of Rotary Club, Mrs. Kala Sridhar, who is a multifaceted personality. She has an eclectic educational pedigree spanning BCom, CAIIB, and an MBA in Banking and Finance. She is a certified NLP practitioner. Post VRS from Central Bank of India, she is running a successful event management company. Our events having 1.35 lakhs subscribers and 38 million views. She has been associated with Rotary since 2017 and is currently serving as the President of the Rotary Club of Mumbai, Juhu. She is passionate about music and promoting fresh talent. Ma'am, may we have a few words from you? Yes, Kala ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you, Nimisha ma'am, for the kind introduction. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, dear interacts of Manekji Cooper Educational Trust School. Sati ma'am, Chief Guest Rotarian Arun Garg, the moderators, Nimisha ma'am and Vishali ma'am, and Pooja ma'am is also there today. Good evening, Pooja ma'am. All the teachers, the parents, and the members of Rotary Club of Mumbai, Juhu. Congratulations and best wishes to Nicora D'Souza on assuming the charge as the president of the Interact Club of Manekji Cooper Educational Trust School for the year 2020-21. I also congratulate President Madhulika Singh for a successful term as the president for the year 1920. Children, you all are aware about Rotary and that now you are a part of the Rotary International family. Children of the age 12 to 18 are Interacts, 18 to 25 are Rotracks, and about 25, you become the Rotarian. All the good work has to start from the beginning. As 65% of our country is under 25 years of age, it's extremely important to have interact clubs. Here, we learn to inculcate the idea of social service, leadership skills, and also discover the power of service above self. We have been blessed to get this opportunity to serve the needy. When a student learns to be responsible and serve the community, we are creating a brighter future for everyone and enhance the Rotary wheel. Yes, we heard Radhika mention about the date that the Rotary Interact Club was formed. Now I also got some information. I was very happy to hear that Manekji Cooper Educational Trust School was the first Interact of Rotary Club formed by Rotary Club of Mumbai Juhu. This makes you very special for us. At the time of charter, you had a highest number of interacts in the entire district of 3140. There were 600 interacts at that time. Today, RCMJ has grown to double-figure interact clubs. Today, we are at 10 interact clubs. But the first baby is always the special one. Your Interact Club has been actively participating in the All India essay competition to create awareness on organ donation. I think here also we have received the maximum entries from you all. We look forward to a similar participation in the international poster competition. The details of the same have already been shared with the moderators. You all had an amazing session on the gaming skills. I was there for some time. And we also got a lovely feedback from you all. I'm happy to share that we have completed 15 sessions in the last 2 months with nearly 650 participants. Our Sanskar on 9th of August had a record of again a 650 registrations. I'm sure you all enjoyed the virtual session on time management, leadership, and motivation, along with the storytelling on compassion and organ donation. We also received a few emails from you on the doodle art. Do you remember the story of the tortoise and the hare that you heard that day? Here I would say, do not rest till you reach your goal. Children, Udan is being planned and we are going to soon set the ball rolling. If you are having any suggestions, please inform us through your moderators. At the Rotary Club of Mumbai Juhu, we have been doing a few projects like Annapurna, where we have been distributing meals and provisions to the needy. It's the commitment to provide 10 million meals to the entire district. Bagban. Through music, we are bringing smiles to the elderly inmates of old age homes in Mumbai who are missing their loved ones and are lonely. More so in the COVID times, when no guests are allowed to visit the inmates of old age homes and orphanages. Givers Gain is a project where you can collect all your e-waste, newspapers, cans, etc. And these proceeds of this goes towards our Rotary Foundation. Poshak Ahar is a project to address malnutrition in the rural areas of Palghar district. By contributing rupees 4,800, the nutritional needs of a pregnant woman and for 8 months and a child for 1 year is taken care of. Rotary Angels. Children, as you all aware, now the classrooms are happening virtually. We could be a Rotary Angel to someone, to a needy. If you could donate your old smartphones or tabs to some underprivileged child so that the child can continue their education. We at Rotary Club of Mumbai Juhu have done 30 projects touching nearly 12,000 people in the past 2 months. We at Rotary Club of Mumbai Juhu would like to assure you that you all come up with activities which can be done in the virtual presence, and you will have the 100% support from our club. Best wishes to President Nicora D'Souza and the entire BOD for a great 2021 with Vrishali ma'am and Nimisha ma'am there for guidance. Before I conclude, I have the great privilege and an important task for recognizing the meritorious children from Manikji Cooper Educational Trust who have passed out the ICSE exams of March 2020. When the results came out and when I saw the first name, the child from which school, I was so happy. So I can imagine what level of happiness must have been there in the school. So let me, where is Vibha Jain? Congratulations, Vibha Jain, for securing 99.6% and coming the
Congratulations,
first
Vibha.
in Mumbai. Heartiest congratulations. We wish,
Congratulations, Vibha.
Viha, sir. She's
we
Viha
wish
Jain.
you a great, we wish you a very great future ahead. Do you want to say something?
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. I am so thankful to Rotary for felicitating me and giving me this opportunity to be here and speak to you all. When I saw the installation ceremony, it felt so nostalgic because I myself had been a director in 2017. And needless to say, being a part of Rotary has been such an enriching experience, be it visits to the old age home or cheering for our school at Udan. I have some of the fondest memories from there. Thank you so much once again, and congratulations to everyone.
Thank you, Vibha. Suhani Srivastava, 98.6%. Congratulations, Suhani. We wish you a very bright future. Yeah, would you like to say something?
I would just like to say that I want to thank all my teachers and my family for their constant motivation and support. And thank you so much, Rotary, for felicitating me. And I think Viha said most of it. So yeah, I'm just going to extend the thanks, and that's it.
Thank you. And at 98.4%, we had Zeneba Powala, Kanika Wazirani, and Vegang Bora. So can we have the children one by one, please?
Zenobia Pawala here. Zenobia, congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. This means a lot to me, and I thank Kashmira ma'am, Jessica ma'am, and all my lovely teachers and supervisors. I owe my success to them. Because of them, I wouldn't have been able to achieve such nice marks. Thank you.
Then we have Kanika.
She's mute.
Kanika, please unmute yourself. We can't hear you, better. We can't hear you, Kanika.
Ma'am, she's unmuted.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Kanika. Thank you so much to Rotary for presenting me with this award. I would like to take this moment to thank my principal, Mrs. Jessica Daruwala, my teacher, Mrs. Nimisha Chaturvedi, and all my supervisors. Thank you so much. I'm highly grateful.
And now we have Vedant Bora.
I would like to thank my teachers, my parents, and the principal and supervisors for constantly mentoring me, motivating me, and guiding me throughout, so I could achieve this feat. Thanks a lot.
Yes. Thank you, children. We will, once the situation improves and the lockdown opens and you start coming to school, you are allowed to come to the school. We will surely meet once, and we would like to personally hand over your gifts, your awards. Yeah. Thank you so much. Once again, all the best, Nikura. And we are just a phone call away. Anything, we are already there. Nimisha ma'am, Vrishali ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you.
Definitely.
Thank you for felicitating our. Yes, Kanish, carry on.
Thank you, ma'am. It was really a wonderful speech. So now I, Kanishk Israni, would like to introduce our chief guest, Dr. Arun Garg. Dr. Arun Garg was born in Mumbai and has done his schooling from Don Bosco, Matunga, and thereafter went on to do his dentistry from the Nair Hospital Dental College, Mumbai. He did his post-graduation from the same college in oral and maxillofacial surgery in 1986 and has been in private service since then. He loves dentistry and especially cosmetic dentistry, in which he restores the patient's lost smiles. He practices at least 2 charitable clinics so that the lower strata of the society can also get the benefit of dental treatment, which is costly. He is a past president of the Rotary Club of Bombay Uptown and has been a member of the Rotary Club since 15 years. Besides, he was a Road Bombay Uptown president in his teens and also an interactor in his school days. Thus, he has gone through all the 3 stages of Rotary. He is a multiple Paul Harris Fellow and his wife Sangeeta is also a Paul Harris Fellow. He is happily married to Dr. Sangeeta, who is a dentist, and they are both blessed with 2 sons, Aditya and Abhinav, who were both presidents of the Road Bombay Uptown and are now in US. He has given talks on importance of good oral hygiene in as many as 30 clubs all over Mumbai. Hence, I would now like the chief guest, Dr. Arun Garg, to please say some encouraging words.
Thank you, Kanishk. Welcome, a warm welcome. It's about 29 degrees at the moment. A warm welcome to all of you, all my lovely children, my lovely friends. Thank you, Sati ma'am, for attending the function. Nimisha and Brushali, your 2 coordinators, a warm welcome to you. My co-Rotarian president of the Rotary Club of Mumbai Juhu Kala and the Rotarians of Mumbai Juhu, warm good evening to all of you all. I'm so happy to hear Manikji Cooper students have done well in the academic field, and a big congratulations to all those who are felicitated today. I don't know whether you read the chat. I always insist that people, the interactors who pass out from school, they should go ahead and join the Rotrack movement, because that is a step ahead. And if you have enjoyed the Interact, you should join the Rotrack. You can get in touch with your Kala Madam and Amarjeet and the Rotary Club of Mumbai Juhu. They have 3-4 Rotrack clubs in them. And definitely one should carry on with the spirit. Because I think Kala made a small mistake. 35% of India's population is between 15 to 25. She made it 65.
Reverse.
Anyhow, that happens sometimes, but the youth is our future. And if you realize the potential of what you can do, we can see that India reaches one among the top 3, top 5. It was 2020 was supposed to be the year in which this was supposed to happen. Unfortunately, some other thing has happened and we have gone down economically and position-wise. But continue to do good work to the society. In the schools, Kala has given you many options which the Rotary is doing, which can be easily done at home. So please take up 2-3 of those projects, Rushali madam and Nimisha madam, and encourage the students to go ahead with the projects. They are really good ones. Givers Gain is one of them. The other one, Rotary Angels, are there. We don't realize what can be done sitting at home itself. I'll tell you a small story which I had heard when I first joined Rotary. It was by a past district governor, and I somehow like it too much. That's the reason I like to tell it out. Today is the first time I'm telling it, because I see a vast number of students all eagerly waiting, and not like Sanskar Day where there were some naughty kids sitting and playing truant. You're all not smiling. What is happening? I want to see your teeth. I'm a dentist. I'm looking at everyone's teeth too. Yeah, now I see a bright smile. Okay, so you all are all awake and not sleeping, right? Okay, so the story goes, I may have forgotten it. It's when 2005, PDG Sriram Prabhu had said this, Amarjit, and this story goes as such. There was once a fisherman in a village, and he was very happy with what he used to do. His small shipping boat, he used to go out and go and fish, and then sell his collections and make little money. When one day one person came from a city visiting him and told him, "What are you doing happy with so much? Why don't you buy a bigger ship?" The fisherman asked, "What will happen if I buy a bigger shipping boat? What is going to happen?" "Oh, you'll collect more fish, you'll make more money." He said, "Okay, that's fine." Then what? He said, "Okay, then after that, once you start earning and you can open a shipping company and you'll make more money." Finally, I'm just cutting it short. The fisherman asked, "After that, what? After I make more money and all, what?" "Then you can nicely go to a nice village resort in some place next to the sea and enjoy your life." The fisherman said, "I'm already doing that. So why should I waste my time, going after money?" This is for all the young children. Please, as a teacher rightly said, one of the teachers, that I think Sati madam mentioned that look into your character and your soul. Money is not everything important in life. What is important is that you go up as good individuals with good character. Thank you very much for inviting me to be the chief guest, and do enjoy your interact journey and continue with the movement by becoming Rotractors and then further Rotarians. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for addressing our children so nicely with good examples. It was really motivating. Thank you so much. And I also thank you, Kalash Sridhar ma'am, for felicitating our children. Thanks. It's a great pleasure to have you all with us today. How can you forget our parents? I would like to request our parents from the audience to give their feedback, like what they have observed, the change among their children after being a part of Manikji Cooper Interact Club. Please, parents, we would like to hear your views today.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, everybody. The journey in the Rotary Club has yielded many benefits in Nicora's character. The unique experiences provided by this club have opened her mind to new opinions and values, and has broadened her perspective towards humanity. I'm deeply grateful that she's been given the opportunity to continue serving in the Rotary Club for another year. Thank you, and have a blessed day.
We thank you, ma'am, for those encouraging words. It will really motivate our children to be a good citizen. I would like to ask the other parents too, if they want to share their views with us.
To the British public.
Yes, Mrs. Jain, would you like to say something?
Good evening, everyone. I would like to congratulate the entire
I think she's got a network issue.
Yes, yes.
Years, they learn a positive impact on the life of others.
I think Mr. Jain is having some serious network issue. Yeah, we would have definitely loved to hear her words. Shall we proceed? So, our principal ma'am, our supervisors, teachers, parents, and our dear students, we all are the pillars of Manikji Cooper Education Trust School, and we are going to hold the prestige together. As we are coming towards the end of today's event, I would like to thank each one of you for gracing today's occasion with your presence. Thank you everyone from the bottom of our heart.
Vrishali ma'am.
Kanishk to kindly take over. Yes, sir.
I would like to share proudly something here. I was the president of Rotary Club of Mumbai, Juhu, during 2004-5 when this Interact Club was chartered. I vividly remember this charter presentation was done very close to your school in a hall because we could not accommodate so many children within the school premises. It was done at Rotary Service Center at the corner of Jutara Road.
Yes,
And the charter was presented with 573 members of the Interact Club. And I just wanted to share with you my pride of creating this great institution as Interact Club of Manikji Cooper. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing this great experience with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I request Kanish to please take over.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, as we reach the concluding part of this wonderful session, I request our Interact Secretary, Master Misam Panjwani, to please give out the vote thanks.
Thank you, Kanish. Good evening, respected Rotarians, our honored chief guest, respected President Mrs. Kala Sridhar, supervisors, teachers, and fellow interactors. I, Master Misam Panjwani, the Secretary for the year 2020-21, take this opportunity to thank our chief guest for coming here today and spending quality time with us. I would also like to thank him for the encouraging words he said. All of us are honored to hold these esteemed positions. I would like to thank our principal and teachers for giving us a chance to be a part of this club, and this would not have been possible without their valuable support. Thank you.
Thank you, Misam. I now request everyone to please stand in attention for the national anthem.
Nimisha Miss, please share sound.
So sorry, just 1 second. I thought it's already on. I'm so sorry.
Nimisha ma'am, do you want me to play?
Was it not audible, ma'am?
No.
Just give me 1 second. I'll just restart.
In case you are not able to play, let me know. I have the national anthem.
Just 1 second.
Nimisha, miss, should I share the screen?
Yes, please, Darshini.
क्या है ये?
I'm so happy that we could hear this national anthem. We have heard the other one so many times, but the boy was playing the flute absolutely superb. I think he's a student of your school.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
wonderful.
Siddharth Narsimhan.
Very nice.
He's a student of 7th standard.
Wonderful, very nice.
Siddharth, are you there?
Where is Siddharth? Where are you? Hi,
Yes, yes. Siddharth is here.
Wonderful, Siddharth.
Thank you, sir.
So you're learning to play the flute since
Very
how many years?
7 years.
Wow, wonderful. All the best.
So Siddharth, now we look forward for your national anthem at Udan.
Yes,
We are
miss,
inviting you. We are already
how nice.
inviting you. We are extending our invitation to you.
Thank you so much, miss.
Nimisha ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Yes, please. And if you can bring along your friends, if someone is playing tabla or something else.
Ma'am, we have many students who are, taking up music. We have a pool of talents, ma'am. Yes, flute and so many different
So
instruments.
you can have a Manik G. Cooper Educational Trust talent hunt.
Absolutely, ma'am.
I think it's a good idea. Let's have the instrumental national anthem at Udan this time.
Sure,
Yeah, plan. Just speak to others, tabla and other
Get
instruments.
all the other instruments also come
Amarjit
together.
and Kala, I'm telling you, take up a big project because you all are doing so much with Interact. When I was in Rotaract, we had an inter-school singing and this competition. So you can take up that because you all are really masters at this. That's the reason I'm telling you all, please take it up. And you can take maybe vocal.
Today I have just spoken to some Interact Club in Chennai for an elocution competition with our Interacts. Let's see how it will work
By the
out.
way,
And
Managji Cooper School, I'd just like to tell, Kala is going great guns in this vision year. She's already sent an application for the 4th Interact Club starting in this year. 3 have already been given the charter. The 4th one, I have just sent the form today to Rotary International, and I think she tells me 2 more are coming in.
Congratulations, Kala ma'am. That's great.
Thank you.
Great to hear that.
See what happens
Kala
when we are
madam,
having moderators like Nimisha and Vishali everywhere. It's going to, we also get motivated to.
And plus Rotary Club of Mumbai Juhu, I've got stalwarts like Amarjeet, Piyush. They're all crazy about the youth. They
Our
like-
president is also so dynamic.
Huh? Sorry, I didn't get you.
I said our president, Mrs. Kala Sridhar, is also such a dynamic lady.
She's there only. She's
Yeah.
the one leading the group. Anyhow,
Correct.
thanks very much for the.
It's all-
invitation. Okay, please.
Thank you very much.
Let us go and end the program.
You have to adjourn the meeting, no?
Yeah.
Yes. Kanish?
Yes.
The new president.
I now request our new president, Ms. Nicola D'Souza, to please adjourn the meeting.
I now adjourn the meeting.
Thank you, everyone. We may leave now.